In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pictures in Google Slides. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or just for fun, incorporating imagery can really bring your slides to life and help convey your message more effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. To do this, type in Google Slides into your search engine, or simply use the URL slides.google.com to navigate directly to the site. Once you're there, if you're not already, make sure to sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, it's easy to set one up, and it's necessary to access Google Slides along with other Google services. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of choices. You can start with a blank presentation by clicking on the blank option, or if you have a specific theme in mind, you might want to select one of the pre-designed templates. Templates are a fantastic way to give your presentation a professional look without needing to spend a lot of time on design. Once you have your presentation open, the next step is to add an image. To do this, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Insert menu. A drop-down will appear. From the drop-down, select Image. You'll then see several options for where you can upload your image from. Depending on where your image is stored, you can choose Upload from Computer if the picture is saved on your local device, or you can select Drive if you have it stored on your Google Drive. There's also an option for Photos if you use Google Photos, making it incredibly convenient if you often organize your images in Google's ecosystem. Now, it's as simple as selecting the image you want and clicking Open or Insert, depending on the option you chose, and your image will appear on the slide. From here, you can move and resize the picture to fit your slide just the way you want. Just click on the image and drag to reposition it, or use the corner squares to resize the image while maintaining its aspect ratio. And there you have it. Adding pictures to your Google Slides presentation is really that simple. Adding imagery can make your presentations more engaging and help your audience connect with your content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep experimenting with the different features Google Slides offers, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.